Yeah.
It's not those retarded steals. Because the way we play, it's really simple. It's like this 100 PR guys. Now we play it a little bit higher. Like I would say 800 PR. Mogador has no hydro, right?
No. You have RPF in your captain?
No.
Second, I can radar in a second the cap. But the question is, do we want to radar now? They have a Jutland. We're gonna wait with the radar.
I
We're
am
gonna
being right now.
yeah, it's a Jutland on the other side of the map. So there we go.
Shit, they are pushing.
Okay, Muggy broadsides. Give him now shit to eat, Muggy.
Oh,
This is the planet. The plan. Muggy, we had a plan. Everything on the Aegir. Muggy, broadside.
shot.
Yeah, give him.
I don't.
I gonna radar. I'm radar. You don't have shots? Get in position.
No, we'll have.
Give him shit to eat, Muggy. Torps coming out for them. Look, we have them there on perfectly cross shots now. Torps gonna hit like a truck. This is how the plan goes up. Don't die in the process. Mokado, where you running?
I win.
Okay, the plan was never to survive for you. You suicide bomber. Muggy, broadside shots. Aegir. Good job. Can you kill also the other guy, Yaman, before you die?
I think yeah. No, 2 tops only.
Muggy, what you doing?
They didn't give me shots. I'm pushing towards the Jutland.
Oh, what a dispersion. Oh, Yaman killed also. What? Yaman, what you doing in the middle of him? Look! I make a video out of this crap now. Look at this. I call it the Yamani steel goes crazy.
I got also. It's a first.
Did you top the... Why you getting killed, didn't you, man? So Muggy and me, we could just... Okay, Muggy. I'm hydroing, I'm getting on HE now. This guy has to be now deleted from a full HP battle. Oh, let me make a video out of this. This is awesome. Okay, Muggy, you exactly know what this guy is going to do, right? He wanna top rush us.
He doesn't have the speed to top rush.
He has the torps and he is 2 kilometers away.
Yeah, he has toes, Muggy. I give him some hits, Muggy.
My god.
Did you see this move, Muggy?
Yeah, wow.
Man, like a pro,
nice.
man. Like a pro. You think I'm just Alaska? I'm just more than Alaska. Do he has more torps, Muggy?
He didn't 2 kilometers away.
Tactical beach. If he goes smoke or something, I'm gonna radar the shit out of him. Muggy, can you please kill the guy? He's sitting like a duck now. He says like rebellions, come bring it on. Good job, yeah.